Page 22, multiplication. Children, now we'll do page 22. In page 22, we hope to discuss the standard method. Now, let's move to the first question. In first question, A and B, you can do according to the method 1, which I have explained in page 21. I will take question number 1C to explain the standard method. Now here 35 you should multiply by 18. First we will multiply 35 by 8. 5 multiplied by 8. 8 times 5, 40. From 40 you have to take the 0 and write it below 8. Take the remaining 4 as plus 4 and write above number 3. Then multiply 3 by 8. 8 times 3, 24. 24 plus 4, 28. So the number is 280. Next you have to multiply 35 by 1. Before multiply 35 by 1, you have to put a 0 in units place. I have put it in green color. Then you have to multiply 35 by 1. 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 3, 3. Now you have to add these two numbers. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 5, 13. From 13, put 3 here. Take the remaining 1 and give it to the hundreds place. 3 plus 5, 2. Plus 1, 6. So the answer is 630. Then we'll move to the question number D. 45 multiplied by 16. Now, first we'll multiply 45 by 6. 6 times 5, 30. From 30, put 0 below 6. Take the remaining number 3 as plus 3 and write above number 4. 6 times 4, 24. 24 plus 3, 27. So the number is 270. Next, before multiply by 45 by 1, you have to put a 0 in units place below 0. Now I have put it in green color. Then you have to multiply 45 by 1. 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 4, 4. Now you have to add 270 and 450. 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 5, 2. Put 2 here, 12. Put 2 here. Take the remaining 1 and keep it in hundreds place. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 720. Now you can do the first question according to this method. Second question also you can do according to the standard method. Now we'll move to the third question. In the third question it says, how many sheets are there in 12 notepads? In 18 notepads. Now first we'll do third question A. How many sheets are there in 12 notepads? In one notepad there are 15 sheets. So 15 you should multiply by 12. Same like earlier, 15 you should multiply by 2 first. 2 times 5, 10. From 10, put 0 below 2 and take the remaining 1 and write it as plus 1 above number 1. Then you have to multiply 1 by 2. 2 times 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 30. Then before multiply 15 by 1, you have to put a 0 before in units place below 0. I have put it in green color. Then you have to multiply 15 by 1. 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 1, 1. Now you have to add 30 and 150. So the answer is 180. Then third question B1. How many sheets are there in 18 notepads? In one notepad there are 15 sheets. So you have to multiply 18 by 15. First we will multiply 18 by 5. 5 times 8 40. From 40 put 0 here. The remaining 4 take it as plus 4 and write above number 1. Then 1 you should multiply by 5. 5 times 1 5. 5 plus 4 9. Number is 90. Then you have to multiply 18 by 1. Before multiply 18 by 1, you have to put a 0 in units place below 0. I have put it in green color. Now you have to multiply 18 by 1. 1 times 8, 8. 1 times 1, 1. Now you have to add 90 and 180. 0 plus 0, 0. 9 plus 8, 17. Put 7 here. The remaining one goes to the hundreds place. 1 plus 1, 2. So the answer is 270. So children, you can do the fourth question also same like this. It says, how many pencils are there in 35 packets? In 45 packets. You can follow the standard method and do the question number 4. Then you can complete fifth question also according to the standard method. My dear children, fifth and sixth questions you have to do according to the standard method. Now I will explain question number 7. In here I am going to explain 3 methods. First method 1. 7 question A. 50 you should multiply by 26. 50 you should multiply by 26. Children, in the first method 50 we are multiplying by 2. We are doubling it. 50 we are doubling it. When you double it, you have to multiply it by 2. 50 multiplied by 2, 100. Now, then you have next 26. 26 we are halving. We are taking half of 26. 26 divided by 2, when you take the half of 26, it is 13. So, in the next step, 100 multiplied by 13. So, the answer is 1300. 50 you are doubling. The next number you are halving. You are taking the half of that. Now, I will explain the B1 also. In here, B, 50 you should multiply by 38. Again 50 we are doubling. That means we are multiplying by 2. 50 multiplied by 2. So the answer is 100. Next 38. The number which is in your right hand you have to take the half of it. When you halving 38, it is 19. 38 divided by 2, 19. Now 119 you should multiply. So the answer is 1900. Next one is method 2. That is the standard method. Here question number A, 50 multiplied by 26. 6 multiplied by 0, 0. 6 multiplied by 5, 30. Before multiplying 50 by 2, you have to put a 0 in units place below 0. I have put it in green color. Now you have to multiply 50 by 2. 2 multiplied by 0, 0. 2 times 5, 10. Now 301,000 you should add. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 0, 3. Here 1. So the answer is 1000. Then the B1. 38 you should multiply by 50. We are doing this according to the standard method. First we will multiply 38 by 0. Children, you know when you are multiplying a number by 0, the answer is 0. 0 multiplied by 8, 0. 0 multiplied by 3, 0. Next you have to multiply 38 by 5. Before that you have to put a 0 in units place under 0. I have put it in green color. Now you have to multiply 38 by 5. 5 times 8, 40. From 40 take the 0 and put it there below 5. Then take the remaining 4 as plus 4. Then 3 you should multiply by 5. 5 times 3, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. So the number is 1900. So when you add those numbers, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 9, 1. So the answer is 1900. That is the method 2. Then method 3. Children, this is one easy method when you are multiplying the numbers by multiples of 10. Children, multiples of 10 are like 10, 20, 30, 40, 70, 90, 80. Those are multiples of 10. When you are multiplying a number by multiples of 10, there is an easy method. But remember, when you are using this method, always the last digit should be a 0. Okay, now here 56 we are multiplying by 50. Always you should write the multiples of 10 down. Upper number should be the number which you are going to multiply. Now here, first from multiples of 10. Here you have 50 as multiples of 10. 26 multiplied by 50. From this 50, we are cutting that 0 in 50 and write it down. I have written it in red color. Next, you have to multiply 26 by 5. 5 times 6, 30. From 30, put 0 there. Take the remaining 3 as plus 3. 5 times 2, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. So, the answer is 1300. Then B1 also I will explain according to the same method. 38 you should multiply by 50. See children, always the multiples of 10 you should write below. Now we will multiply. First step, you should cut the 0 and write it down. I have written it in red color. Next you have to multiply 38 by 5. 5 times 8, 40. From 40 put 0. The remaining 4 goes to the tens place as plus 4. 5 times 3, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. So the answer is 1900. Seventh question all you can do according to any of these methods. Method 1, method 2 or according to method 3.